Hi bakers, you're welcome to Essential Kitchen. Today I'm going to teach you how to make high volume commercial cupcake recipe. This recipe is a bomb. It will go well for people that wants to go into cake business. You're going to make a lot of gain, a lot of money. You know, when you do this recipe, it's going to give you a lot of cake. Like making 2.5 cup of flour. But as usual, you prepare your pan and measure your ingredients. 2.5 cup of flour. You add 1 tablespoon of baking powder, then sieve and set it aside. Like I said, this recipe will fetch you a lot of money. So just do not substitute recipe. Just follow the exact recipe step by step. You will get what you want. Then I'm going to use 250 grams of butter. That is 1 sachet of butter is 250 grams. That's what we are using. So we are using we are doing creaming method. Yeah, we are going to cream the sugar and butter together. Sugar is 1.5 cup. So you will cream it until it becomes light and fluffy. It will change from this yellowish color to like light cream color. So it's not an easy job, but you can do it. You cream with your hand. If you have a hand mixer, it will make the work easier and faster. But if you don't have a hand mixer, use your hands and cream. That is why you have hands. So use the hand side cream. You cream. Yes, you can do it. Just when you are making a butter-based cake, you need to know that the more fluffy you cream your butter and sugar, the more fluffy your cake becomes, the outcome of your cake becomes. So creaming your sugar and butter is the most important thing in baking in making your cake moist and fluffy. So if you want to get a very fluffy cake, you have to cream your butter very well. This is where the work lies. So you have to do this thing, cream it to a dropping consistency, just like this. So you can see it has changed from that yellow color to this color now. You can see it's very light. It's very light and it has this dropping consistency. This is the consistency you should get now that you have creamed it to this extent. It means that you have done a very nice job. Then we'll now go ahead to start adding our eggs one at a time. You cream with speed. You cream with speed until you exhaust the egg. Then the next thing, you start adding the dry ingredients. add any desired flavor. Then add your milk gradually and mix. Start adding your dry ingredients bit by bit. You add, you fold, and after folding you mix with speed again. Unlike other ones that you will just add and fold it gently, but this one you're going to be mixing it. As you're folding, you're also mixing it. This one doesn't require gentle mixing, so add your flour and mix, add your flour and mix. This is the perfect recipe that can fetch you a lot of money. You can make it and start supplying to supermarkets, to shops, you know. So this is my cupcake pan. I just lie the cupcake sheet on it and I'll start scooping. I decided to do a little twist. I added milk, powdered milk, and cocoa powder, and just tablespoon of warm water, and mix it to become a chocolate cake. So just a twist is optional though. Just a twist, you know. So it's optional. No, you have to be creative. Line your cake and bake on a preheated oven for like 40 minutes, 35-40 minutes. My oven is on a high flame, so I had to reduce it to the lowest. Because cupcake doesn't take much time to get done. Ta-ra! This is the end result. How many cupcakes do we have here? We have about 13 cupcakes and 2 foil plates. We got this from what? 2.5 cups of flour and 1 butter. Is that not amazing? This cupcake now can be sold at 250, 200, 250 depending on your location, but this foil cake can be sold at 2000, 2200, also depending on your location. So you can be making at least 3000 to 3000 plus on this small recipe. Is it not amazing? So you can see why it's a nice recipe for business. Thank you very much.